Hi guys, another video this evening. Yeah. Basically I do a video, I show a conversation from a TT600 Volker from kickstart to e-start, and by the way I showed how you can check the fuel level of a carburetor chamber, of the flow chamber from the carburetor, and in this way you can see how much fuel is in the how much fuel is in the carburetor inside, in the flow chamber. It's very easy. You must use a transparent tube, and you bring it on this little, I think the name is pipe or sleeve, and you bring it beside the carburetor, and you see the level which is inside the carburetor. You see it outside in the tube, in the transparent tube too, because if you open the screw, the fuel goes up and goes only as high as the level is in the chamber. And so you see, if the valve is closing, the tube from the tank goes on this, and if the valve is closing, the float chamber, very difficult to explain this. It's not my language, it's not my native language. So you see how much fuel is inside the flow chamber. This is the whole thing. Yes. Please watch the video and maybe you understand it better. What I actually want to explain is how to check the function of the float needle valve without opening the carburetor. This is the main thing. So I take a transparent hose and plug it into the connection on the other side, on the underside of the carburetor. Then I loosen the screw of the overflow of the drain a little bit, but not completely, just enough so that I can turn it without so much force. Then I take the hose beside the carburetor, you see. Then I connect the carburetor to the tank. Yes, the tank is on the toolbox, and of course it can remain installed, but the bike must stand straight. Then I open the fuel tap and watch what happens when I open the screw. The fuel flows through the hose and you can see it by the bubbles. But I open it not completely. I make a mistake, so I close it and open it again. You see it in the second step. After this I open it again, and then you see how high the fuel is going up. I took a photo and you see it in the photo much better. I hope you can see it well. I marked it on the following photo. Unfortunately, gasoline is not dark blue or red or like this. I open the screw again and move the carburetor, then you see the highest level. And at this point you can see the float chamber is nearly full, and I think this is okay. Okay, so much for that. At the end I will tell you about the mixture. It's really important that you have the real mixture, and yes. Okay, I think it's not a big thing. And as a carburetor can remain in the motorbike, you can also do it if it is in the motorbike. So the motorbike must stand straight, this is important, then you can check it. The other thing is, if the mixture is too fat, this could be if the level is too high. then the mixture can be too fat. It sounds like this is no problem, but it's a problem when the engine is hot or warm. Then you can, it's difficult to start it. And if you only have a Kickstarter, maybe you stand and you must kick it 10 or 20 times or 30 times, and this is a real problem maybe for you, not for the engine. But for the engine it's a problem if the mixture is too lean, and this could be happen when the fuel level is in the flow chamber is not enough. Then the mixture is too lean, and then the combustion is too hot, and then the engine can be damaged. This is a real problem. So this shouldn't be. Okay, I hope you like the video, and by the way, you can adjust it. This is a carburetor from a Suzuki TT600, and there's a little ja, wie sagt man, Blechstreifen, a donk. So, and with this donk you can adjust the float chamber valve. Okay. I hope you understand what I mean. Yeah, sorry for my English. Yes. Okay, watch the video, and I hope you press the Abo button, and see you again.